Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to browse songs according to categories on the Spotify application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the search icon down below, which is the second option. And here at the Browse All section, you are going to see that you have a vast variety of categories that you can search for. So there are many distinct categories, such as you can search for podcasts, new releases, charts, live events, and there are also like musical genres like hip-hop, rock, alternative, metal, jazz, and so on. So your browse depends on whether you are searching for songs or podcasts or whatever. So tap on the one that interests you the most. And here you are going to find all of the popular playlists. You can also tap on the See More button if you want to see all of them. And if you are interested in listening to any of these, click on the relevant one. And here you are going to find songs that you can listen to. You can also play the playlist itself by clicking on this play button in the right side of the screen. And if you are interested in any of these songs, you can add them to your liked items or to your own playlist, or save the whole playlist itself by clicking on the heart icon, thereby adding it to your library. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.